Hello there, my name is Amnah and I am a professional English language teacher for more than 5 years now. I have been in the field of teaching for almost 10 years and I've taught multiple subjects, but my main subject is English, so I'll be focusing on English subject here. I have done my Masters in English Literature. I have done 2 courses in English training and learning from British University and Amnah University, Islamabad and Lahore. I have taught 2 years English language senior level for a Cambridge-based school in Lahore, and I have taught in 3 other schools in Rawalpindi. I have been in this field for almost 5 years. I have been doing English teaching professionally for 5 years. I have been taking workshops and training courses from Oxford Press and Paramount Publishers. I have worked with professional scholars who have come on my job place to get teacher training, and I have also taught international students who were UK and US based. I have made courses for them. I have also worked with teachers who are training for certification of TOEFL and IELTS who were working on the certification. So I worked as an assistant teacher for their lesson planning and course tests. I have also taught students, I have also worked on their spoken and speaking and conversational skills for English. I have helped many people to prepare for their job interviews and taught language skills, listening and speaking skills to them. My profession actually is based on English subject. I would love to go further into this subject because I have been connected with this subject for a long time, and I've always loved working in this language in multiple fields. I am currently also working as a content writer for multiple websites. I have worked for many product-based websites, and I have done written work, content work, web content work, proofreading, copywriting for many websites. I have written articles and blogs and have done guest posting for multiple websites. And I would like to teach here as a proper professional English teacher here. I have 4 different categories that I would love to teach to people, for which I would like to give a demo on them one by one. So this was my introduction, and further I would be giving demos on 4 of my different subjects that I will be teaching here on this platform. Thank you.